friends, welcome to Learn Self tutorial. Today I'm going to show how to install PhpPgAdmin on FreeBSD. Before start the installation, whether you check PostgreSQL are installed or not. In my previous video, I'm showing how to install PostgreSQL on FreeBSD. Now I check my all services. Here you can able to see PostgreSQL. So I have installed already. At first now I am showing install the PHP by using pkg command. Type the command, after that hit enter. Now it asks confirmation. You just give Y and then press enter to continue the installation. Okay, that's it. Now Apache installation process is completed. The next you enable that service on your rc.conf file. You just type sysrc space Apache enable equal s. You just type the command, after that press enter. Okay, now the service is enabled. Now you start the Apache service by using service command. Type the command, after that press enter. Okay, now the service is started. Next, install the PHP and its dependencies. Type the command, after that press enter. And now it asks confirmation. You just give Y and then press enter to continue the installation process. Okay, that's it. Now PHP and its dependency installation process is completed. Then next you configure the httpd file. You just type nano command for open the httpd file. Type the command, after that press enter. Okay, now it's open. Here you just move 288th line. Here you just add these configuration lines, and then here you just add index.php. That's it. After that you just save and quit. And then next you copy php.ini -production file to php.ini. You just use cp command. You just type the command, after that press enter. Okay, now file is copied. Then next you restart the Apache service. You just type the service restart command like this, after that press enter. Okay, now the Apache service also restarted. And then next you create a sample PHP program for check the PHP service. First you move to data directory. Then next you create info.php file by using echo command. Type the command like this, after that press enter. Now info.php sample file is created. Then next you just open the browser and then type your localhost IP address. Then next following info.php. Okay, now it's working perfectly. You just close this. Now I'm showing install the PhpPgAdmin. You just use pkg install command for install the PhpPgAdmin. Type the command, after that press enter. Okay, now it's ask confirmation. You just give Y and then press enter to continue the installation process. Okay, that's it. Now the installation process is completed. Then next you create a soft link for phpPgAdmin to data directory. You just type the command, after that hit enter. Okay, now it's created. Then next you restart your Apache service by using service restart command. Type the command, after that press enter. Okay, now Apache service restarted. Then next you open your browser. You just type your localhost IP address, then following PhpPgAdmin like this. Now you can get PHP homepage. First you select your language and then select your themes. After that, click the PostgreSQL server, start the PhpPgAdmin. Okay, now it's ask credential. You just enter your DB username and password. The next password. After that, click login. Okay, that's it. Now you can access your database with your user. That's it, friends. I hope in this video can help you understand how to install PHP PG admin on FreeBSD. Thank you for watching.